How to fix first alert smoke alarm flashing green. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot a green flashing light on your first alert smoke or smoke CO alarm. It may signal everything from a power up cycle, low battery, sensor contamination, or even end of life. This guide walks you through each indicator and its fix. So let's get started. If you notice your first alert smoke detector blinking green, don't brush it off. That signal usually means the battery is running low, but here's the catch. Simply swapping the battery won't always make the blinking go away. So here's what you should do instead. First, check your model. Many modern smoke detectors allow you to replace the battery without taking the unit off the wall or ceiling, but if you own an older version, you might need to carefully remove it before continuing. Next, open the compartment and take out the old battery. Some slide out easily, while others may feel snug. If it seems stuck, a gentle push or wiggle usually does the trick. Now grab a fresh battery and place it onto the slot. The detector is designed so the battery will only fit in the correct direction, so line it up properly. Close the cover once it's secure. Here's the most important step. Press the test button. This resets the alarm's system so it recognizes the new battery. If you skip this, the blinking green light will likely keep flashing. When you hear the confirmation beep, you'll know the reset worked and the green light should stay solid. That's it. Your smoke alarm is ready to protect you again. As a good safety habit, remember to check and test all your smoke and carbon monoxide alarms a few times a year. These small checks can make a big difference when it counts. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. I'll see you in the next video.